Hello, I'm Michelle Sutton, and thank you for joining me for another North Oaks News Update. At North Oaks Health, caring for our community means not just treating illness, but investing in a healthier future. That commitment is at the heart of everything we do to improve lives every time, every touch. June is Hernia Awareness Month, bringing attention to the condition that affects millions of people each year. In fact, more than 1 million hernia repair procedures are performed annually in the United States. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a significant difference, and our North Oaks Surgical Associates team is to help patients return to active and fulfilling lives. Over the last decade, we've successfully treated nearly 2,500 hernia patients right here in our community. Thank you for trusting North Oaks with your health. We're honored to serve you and your family today and every day. Our community's health is our purpose.